Pai le uta sa cham se u promise bun ai ba me pai.
Ta me mot ban ong ba baro arngot ki bahai maya. Laya pide.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kesehnya terhadap Acik National Movement Central Executive Council, kelas Shemikarai balada kan Jingïakynad kadang jur. Kiri khotjong ke Hanm, ken Hiar cerilum Garo, ban Ïarap yaki Garo, ban yakun persya, yaki wepat kejap benriu, ki buan liat try klik, haga kendo ke siap jong ki Garo. Haba keren cikilar petai kubor, uwe ni kena ilam ke Hanm, ujuan sangma, ulo om ke Hiar tama jong ki Garo, kam keta, tang ki Garo, hendeka keta eborok kiri ulum, bat ke Hanm kan om sengap jar, yaga dika Jingsha le, behe, haki beri benabar, hendekan Hiar cerilum Garo, ban Ïarap yaki Garo.
Ikut tahu musim apa, subida, musim apa, sufi, bani ini dia, apa, tilung Garo. Wanita presiden, dari lung kasih jadian, syari lung Garo, Lada, berkatba, kibar jelas, kibari, kita beribor, kibar bersam. Para Garo berarti polong Garo berapa cara jadi. Pi, kayak gini tinjau kalau sejam boleh kalau mah, naru pesan, apakah lupa malam dijongi. Ontang polong Garo kini kerja, daripada apa kasih jadian kini kerja. Mesyuarat lagi apa kasih jadian dengan hikmat. Bondai kita jalan, di kibar jalan. Aku dulu project Hills. Kajingjahi, kalau peningok bersabdum, kalau bah nyoi, bah kibar jalan, ani kibender, kiwan kiu, sekeri jongi, lingba, kam kihipaten, bagus hitam kalau bah kiwan tu bersyolok jadi try jalan buat jalan mereka. Kini kalau kakubor pasai bagi cepat ada sen cepat jangan menuju jadi tu sekonsen ba pilih pimpinan kan pimpinan ba penungken es tisu itu gi kente kibai olok di parjala pedul lagi mesti makan kepang su lagi. Nama apa kejalan ini? Nadu kejalan mereka dia. Kelayu, mereka kejalan raksasa sam. Mata akan topik senam. Nadu kelayu kejalan jom. Kami kalian kalau ada section apa roki terus atau lagi jaga tapo. Jadi harus proses kasih Garo Hills. Kini section itu lalu menjadi Constitution of India. Yang jirong kerpang, jom kirulung, tribal. Pengide menyok tidak kerpang, kehidup kerpang. Maniada arti sesat, nakada hukum dulu, hakik paten. Menyok try dalam jom kejalan, bawa proses itu. Henry, proses yang dipakai dapat. Ini penban, bah, bajalah, luar begini no. Walau temu ban yorot ya kahok long try coba celah itu buat tindakan yang besar ini kasu berpat buat sakar Meghalaya apa ada kuno nimpa asyuk isin mengenai iji usaha untuk berjalan buat di lembah ini buat pasai ada kesan ni pak buat apa pidai ban ayo kayak pi immediately apa berjalan ke sini. Nama senama mencoba ada sokal bertisu ada lupa dia ping lain rumah tapak sebab 45 ya kah rumah tapak tidak sah terha tidak sah undung mabang dapat berisi mata kejelai influx kejelun ketep bacalah apa jelas ini kalau lebih mahasiswa abang ipai masih mau pi abang ipai lah usnam ada kan dia nakalang pasang H&M nilalek berkendang ya gue kayak sa dengan Muslim tempo saflo hatu sini apakah saya ngalek berkerah niyo komplain niyo kecing subah berkar bangla besar bian saflo nanti pada mission nak saya ngilam tayi badan balong Syikian Maksudkan mereka ada berkam ikian Mereka gampang ini Kemudian berlebih Nama Habang ipai Bila ini Macam ni Ikasi dengan strok Mereka bagi ipai Hukum tidak Pak Kuat kicak soru Buat salah Anak rembu Macam ni Tikumtan Akan keseng Pau cinta Pak Lada Kini kita kena kejar Haksi beruan Nak keseng dulu Keloy Banyale Banida para Garo berpotong Pogilum Garo Kejun kertap Imbar Jalan Hadu Ayo hat Hipaten Lakni lupa jalan Nikong wan Kumdung bela Wan pendam Kumdung terai Hinrai Onda hadin Pak Lasai Usim kebu Umut menurat Buat usi mentang hidup buat kecingin berusia. Orang tan pun belum beri kerja, tiga. Hendak rumah beri kerja, hak thai pada. Hamu pulang mipai, tapi mipai saya pada kecingnya mesti berlui. Siap ke. Kaya kata pulang, dan nama kecil kok jok sarkar negeri ini. Tapi mipai dari sen. Mipai mesti seperti sarkar bah. Minggu asu, yang jadi Muslim. Lagi, penbor yang Muslim, asyik lebih sarkar. Nanti kuat aja suruh berjalan perekam ikian muka LP perekam pelat kita isi mudah berjalan ini. Kemudian orang menyebab kalian pikir pres itu libat dunia mereka Garo Hills bersupport LP. Pada itu LP kasihnya channel lah asal kecil lalu channel mak jadi nanti jika mereka India mendawa nanti kibat jurnal jajan berlem kayak pi kita kasih benar buksa pada pemilihan asam kini kalau support tu nak kibat pada Garo mau itu berlem sen nama ni kita cek yang hanya tu acik national movement kita orang kibat Garo perlu dikatakan tu Garo Hills kita orang keturah di bawah kita kata istilah mesin kusuknya omtan bengi Omta mencoba untuk kini support LP ni so ni scam dulu bagi Pak Garo dulu kita kam di LP. Jadi ni kalau kaji sudah tidak boleh lo jadi berjalan berbaik.
Here, stand in solidarity with the peoples of Garo Hills, united in just support and peace. Friends, as you know, the 9th of March, the accident took place in Garo Hills. So this accident, it is not affect only in Garo Hills, but in the same time, it will affect the entire state, especially Khasi and Jingïakynad also. So that's why the Hanm has taken decision. The Hanm from the Khasi and Jingïakynad will go to Garo Hills to defend the tribal peoples from the people outside. The states who are trampling the tribals. If the situation is not becoming normal, if the situation is worse day by day, the Hanm central body will not stay silent. We decide if the situation becomes worse, we will lend to Garo Hills to stay together and support to our brother and sister from Garo Hills. The accident that happened in Garo Hills have given a lessons to the peoples of Khasi and Jingïakynad. That marriage and business policy in state of Meghalaya with non-tribals should be stopped immediately. The marriage policy with the non-tribals should stop immediately. This is a warning for our people, because as we know, the situation why created in Garo Hills, they came from outside, they came from Bangladesh, they settled down in the state of Meghalaya, they occupied our land, and they are now claiming their own land. The sixth scheduled area has given a full opportunity only for the tribal peoples, not for the non-tribals, not for the Muslim peoples. So today, after opposing that all the sections of community in the Garo Hills and all the NGO, all the society, but the Muslim people are forcefully, they are trying to find nomination in for the upcoming district council election. So this is, we condemn. We are condemning from the central body. So friends, I will tell you how these non-tribals taking the advantage in our state. We will do what outsider allegedly took control of your business, of your trade, gradually created conflicts with tribal communities. Once they becomes established, they begins to influence and take over political power. This is the main motive of non-tribals and the Muslim peoples. So we condemn this, not only within the district council, not only in only district councils, also in the state assembly, they are participating. So being an indigenous of people, so we should stop. We should condemn and we should protest. We should not allow this non-tribal to participate in any process of polling, whether you talk the district council election or whether you talk the assembly election. Example I will give you. In the case of Tripura, what happened? Where the tribal community eventually becomes a minority there in their own land and felt like outsider in their homeland. For this reason, the Hanm is demanding the immediate implementation of the inner line permit system in the state of Meghalaya to safeguard indigenous people from the infiltration of outsider, specialists from the Bangladesh. Only through inner line permit we can control these outsider people are coming in the state of Meghalaya. So therefore, we as a Hanm member, we request the state government also to immediately implement inner line permit for the state of Meghalaya to check all the infiltration which is coming from the outside, especially from the neighbors countries like Bangladesh. So friends, I'll say you one example again. I'll remind you that 1971 war in Bangladesh. What happened? During the Bangladesh Liberation War, many Bengalis Hindus and Muslims fled to enter the northeast. Around 1 million people come, and some settled in Rikhasi and Lumgaro, while others went to Assam and Tripura. Bengali Hindus mostly stayed in Rikhasi and Tripura, while Bengali Muslims settled in Garo Hills. In Nagaland and Mizoram, Bengalis could not settle easily because they were strongly opposed by the groups such as the National Socialist Council of Nagaland and the Mizo National Front in Manipur. They also could not settle because the Meitei communities and the United National Revolution Front restricted them to enter their own land. We are stand unitedly with the brother and sister from the Garo Hills, and we are closely monitoring with the members from the Garo Hills. As per our information, the situation in Garo Hills is worse now. Why the state government need to call the Indian Army? I want to ask the state government through you. Indian Army is not for the protection of the country. If I am not mistaken, I think Indian Army only for the protection of our country, which is a neighboring country. Indian Army cannot interfere in the internal matters. This is our internal matters. District Council and 6 schedule issue is our internal matter council. So state governments should understand this whole issue. So that's why on behalf of all the members and HNMCEC, we request the state government as much as possible to implement the inner line permit in the state of Meghalaya. So we, the people of state spaces, the tribal, we can stay peacefully and we can control the people who are coming from the outside, and we can check them that these people from the Bangladesh or wherever they are coming to settle in our state, at least we can check them for how many days they are going to settle in the state of Meghalaya and for how many days they are or wherever they. So for that purpose, we demand strongly from the state government the inner line permit should implement immediately. See, the long pending demand is inner line permit. It is not a question only the Khasi and Jingïakynad, but it's an issue of the state. So therefore, the peoples from the Garo Hills, like NGOs and civil society, they are always demanding the same issue. Even from there also, they are strongly demanding from the state of government that inner line permit should be implemented in the state of Meghalaya as much as possible in the state. So right now, that regarding the order by the High Court, we will see, we will decide what will the proceed in future. Then we can tell you in details. But right now, this issue is a very sensitive issue. So we will wait for a few days. Then we will let you know what will take steps in future.
Had a long day, feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams, all in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. So why wait? Download Hello Meghalaya now.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale!
Gorgeous.
Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है. Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? Family का सबसे youngest भी तो है. Let's go guys. Party time.